Haipet upawan lawan. Pawan, balay basyong siya diyan.
Pimtip se ulayo apang TV.
Dia balay, long pisudnat basyong maroy-maroy siya diyan.
Pimtip se ngelayo TV te.
Kam stay. Pitip em, daladon ha kajing sumar, kam la ban ya bit sure. Wan rayo tifen. Haba pidi dawai TV, pidai ru ban bamha, sutho. Da kajing kersyan ki bahayang basam, la ban yele persya ya kajing pang TV. Balay ngin nyoben.
In response to accusations leveled by the Voice of the People Party President Ardent Miller Basaiawmoit regarding religious figures dispensing alcoholic beverages during election periods, Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee President and candidate of the Shillong Parliamentary Lok Sabha seat, Vincent H Pala, dismissed the claims as unsubstantiated, citing a lack of evidence. Pala also drew parallels between the VPP's approach and that of the BJP.
Very unfortunate, the VPP, when they started attacking the church leaders, to be a Teman-Basan, it takes years to become a Teman-Basan. It takes a lot of exercise for the people in the village or for the Balang to identify who should be a Teman-Basan. So I think if the BPP is fair enough, courage enough, they should identify who's the fellow who has done, so the church can take action. You see, simply say that the pastor or the father or the catechist or the Teman-Basan are involved is very easy to blame, because this has been designed by certain people. First they will attack the parties, and then they will attack the church, and then as if they are the holiest party. The rest are all crooks. So it's not fair. The public will know. The church is very important. If the church is weak, the society is weak. If the church is strong, the society is strong. If the leaders are strong, the church is strong. If our workers are strong, the society are strong. So it's very important for the VPP to identify who is the real Teman-Basan who has done this and why he has done this. Otherwise, whatever they say, to blame the entire church, to paste the entire church as drunkards, to paste the entire church as distributing liquor, is not fair for our society. It's totally wrong. I personally feel that the NPP should apologize to the church. Otherwise, this is something, unnecessary, taking the entire church, that will damage the reputation of the church, not only in Meghalaya, but the entire state or maybe entire country also. Oh, it is like that. So I think it is wrong. This is, I think, loose talks should stop for misleading the people of Meghalaya. We want to file on Monday, because we want to file at the same day from Tura also and from Shillong also. I just came yesterday from Delhi. We just got the paper yesterday only. So today our lawyer will prepare the paper, and hopefully by Monday, by the 25th, we should be able to file it. See, the election is just about to begin properly. The campaign just started. The nominations, we don't know who are going to fight, who are not going to fight. That also we don't know all. So another month. So it's very difficult to assess as on today, to analyze as on today, who is strong in rural or who is strong in the urban. Normally elections, people will not decide early. Normally people decide at least 2 weeks before the election. So it's difficult for me to say who is strong here. Some pockets maybe VPP definitely, some pockets maybe the Congress, some pockets maybe the NPP, they are in power. Some pockets maybe the BJP, they also are in power. So I think it's too early to assess as of today. But I've been from different parts of Meghalaya, right from Garo Hills and from Khas Hills. One thing I've seen is that this time the people looks towards a Congress. So many of our leaders might have been lured or taken away at this juncture, but the workers still with us. So definitely I think Congress, we have hopes this time, because people think that to Delhi, the only party who can fight against the communal forces, the only party who respects the minority, the only party who always think for the indigenous people or the tribal people is the Congress. So the voters of Shillong, the voters of Tura are well aware of all the decisions taken by the BJP, well aware of the actions taken by the state government, and definitely this time people will look toward the Congress. But we have to work hard, we don't take it lightly, and we have to encourage our people on the ground to go for campaign and request everybody to join and work for the Congress.